I'm sorry guys, but I haven't volume. So don't judge me please. I just downloaded Roblox. And actually I don't play so much Roblox. I am noob on that. Now go, let's go. No! Alright, I think I have so much. Oh! But I forgot Michael Jackson. That was it. Well, I used to be good. Cake, cake. My God, this is spiders. Wait. Nuggets guy. I thought I was gonna fall out and I was like, I'm a faint right now. Bruh, my phone doesn't work at all. It jumps. Oh, done. That was easy. Help. Oh. This is free. Oh yeah. I kinda wanna try the banana. Yeah, everyone thinks I'm French, but I'm actually English, Morocco, French. Yeah. The number just bugged. We're making my clothes. And don't worry guys, this is not my real clothes. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my real outfit. So you don't friend the wrong one though. Please friend affect me. Oh my God, is this? I don't care, just this is me. I don't know, but my hair was 50 Robux right now. It's 70. So sorry. I kinda like the green one. 150. Gato o gato. Okay. No, I don't want it. Okay, of course we're going okay, cat because cat is the cutest. Yeah, please don't go to the comments be like, no, there. Yeah, I know because they help you. Man, cats are cute. We're talking about cuteness. Well, that iPad got me deaf. Maxwell. Yeah. Jumping on Maxwell's. Actually, his name is Jess. Wee. If I die, I'm gonna just rage. If I die, I just quit the video. Yeah, also, I didn't die. Though I need to touch the floor. Also, I forgot what I wanted to say. Like, it's the worst thing that could happen to you. Oh yeah. Even if my memoir would just be, I'm full. You can't right now. Oh no, you cannot quit the video. That's what I literally hate. Yeah, sometimes I talk English with plus French. French plus Arabic. It's so cute. This is a cat meme. Of course we like. I rage every time I really. I wish I didn't have Samsung, but it's my only option though. I don't even know my YouTube password to buy a new phone. No, I'm not joking. I'm saying the truth right now. Okay, you know what? We're going back to another lobby. Yeah, that's what I mean, right? But I don't wanna break my only phone because I know I'm gonna be dead forever. My mama will kill me. When I see these things here, I think the OB will be easy.